Presenting MSI Gaming Gl65 Leopard laptop, which comes with Windows 10 Home operating system. This laptop weighs 2.3 kilograms and comes in black color. The laptop runs on Intel Core i5-9300H 9th generation processor with up to 4.10 GHz of speed. This MSI laptop comes with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is expandable up to 64 GB, and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 GDDR6 4 GB dedicated graphics, ensuring a smooth performance. The 512 GB NVMe SSD lets you store all your pictures, movies and music worry-free. This laptop runs on 41 Wh lithium-ion battery. The 15.6-inch Full HD display with thin bezel, 1920 by 1080 pixels resolution, IPS level 60 Hz provides an immersive viewing experience. This laptop comes with one RJ45 port, one SD card reader, one HDMI port, one mini display port, one Type-C USB 3.2 Generation 1 port, 3 Type-A USB 3.2 Generation 1 ports for easy connectivity. Inside the box you will find the laptop, battery, power adapter and user guide. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.